What is going on, guys? This is Sangam, and today I'm going to be reviewing MIUI 7 for your color Xfactor SD, Gionee Elife 3, Symphony W150 and the clone series phone. So let's get started. Right now you can see the lock screen and I have just unlocked it. Unlocking is simple and easy. Just slide up to unlock. And you also can go to direct dialer and camera from direct the lock screen. Now let me show you some of the major system application. This is the phone application here. You also can see the contact application. This is the messaging application, stock messaging application in MIUI V7 ROM. This is the keyboard, the latest and the updated keyboard, Google keyboard. Browser, and in this ROM, browser lags a bit. And I don't think this is going to be a problem because nobody uses a stock browser, right? Uh, Not sure everybody, but I don't use a stock browser. So let me show you the other stock application gallery. You can find the photos taken with phone and photos downloaded in the offline section. And the music application. The music application had a quite great UI. I love it. This is the UI that the music app has. And actually the sound also is very good in this ROM. So this is a theme application and I'm gonna talk it later at the end of it. Now let me show you something from the tools menu. File Explorer. This is the File Explorer from MIUI V7 and has a kind of good features where videos, docs, images, music and kind of stuffs are categorized in your own stuff. And this ROM also has an inbuilt scanner, so you can scan the QR code and directly navigate to the website. And also let me tell you something that this ROM has a very great camera, and this is the security application where you can have and clean the traces and the cache memory, and the data uses reflect the data usage from your phone, Wi-Fi, uh, and the mobile data. From the block list you can block numbers from call and text, from making call and text. This is the remaining battery uses or simply the battery uses. This ROM has an inbuilt antivirus like stuff named as virus scanner, and this is powered by Tencent, you can see here. And the permissions, the permission are auto start. You can permit or uh, allow or disallow application from starting at the boot, and these are the application that uses the permission. And the root access, so root access doesn't work if you just flash the ROM. You need to flash the supersu zip file via recovery, the custom recovery, right, to get rooted. But I think the latest version of MIUI 7, the custom ROM one is automatically rooted, so you don't have to worry about that. This is the calendar application. This is the notes. The weather application. The weather application is quite good in this ROM. It's something similar to the general mobile discovery 4GB stock version. This is a video where you can see the local and the cloud video. All the videos are categorized here, and these are the system's custom applications that I installed. There is the first one is the notification bar. This is the tiles. You can see you can also add in tiles, and here you can see the music players. You can navigate to the music player, and from here you can go to the settings. And one of the stuff in this ROM is just uh, opposite, but you can change this. So the task manager, that means if you press and hold in other ROM, it will take you to the task manager, but if you press recent key, it will take you to the task manager. These are the applications that I installed, sorry, that I opened, and you can see the SCR setting has been a red dot lock. That means if I close this all application, SCR setting won't be closed. That means it won't be forced closed, or it won't be closed from the task. And you can also make this icon big. You can see here, this is something like from iOS. Throw up and the task is closed, throw down, the task is logged, throw again down, the task is unlocked, throw up, the task is closed. Now to close every task, just press on the cross button here. Everything is closed except the logged one, SCR setting. So I need to make it locked because I'm recording the screen right now using that application. So let me tell you some of the quick setting stuffs. You won't find nothing good here. Everything is just extraordinary. You can also show or hide the connection speed and also the carrier name that I used is the Asangam carrier, I guess. uh, Theme section, wallpaper, system font, you can change the font. You can also change the text size that you can see in the screen, like if you want middle size, and if you want XL or extra very large, but I prefer the smallest one. Display setting, you can quite mess around with your display. Lock your screen, you can choose the sleep, prevent pocket dials in the required lock screen for you guys. And this is the do not disturb mode. Child mode, here you can enable the child mode. This is additional setting, and you can find here lots of setting, and here you can see buttons. So I talked also earlier that you can also change the recent home and back key on your own. So if you want press and hold home button to the task manager, you can do that too. So this is the developer option. So nothing extraordinary, everything is normal as in other room, but has categorized in a separate tab. Here you can see the about menu. The phone name is Redmi, so it has been ported from Redmi HM Note 1W, and the Android version is said to be Android 5.0.2 Lollipop. The MIUI is 5.9.1, and the others you can see is the phone information. You can tap on the Android version to see the Easter egg. So of course this is from Lollipop. This is not a stock Lollipop, a ported one, and this isn't quite okay. Alright, anyway. So now the last I want to show you the themes application. The most thing I love about in this ROM is the theme. You can have lots of varieties of themes. I have downloaded some themes here, so I'm gonna show you guys by applying some of the best themes from this ROM. So the first one I'm going to try is, I guess, LG. Life's good. Life's really good, right? Apply, and ding ding ding. It will take some of your seconds to get it applied. So this is the LG theme. Has something like a LG stop. I'm not sure it's full LG or not, but I love it. I love it. So the next theme I want to show you guys is the CM12 in Android L mix. But you can't expect that much from a MIUI because CyanogenMod is something like close to AOSP. It's not AOSP, but it's something like AOSP, not a modified theme, but MIUI is just a very modified. And this is a CyanogenMod and Android mix. The icons are kind of big, but looks great. Your weather application, clock, icons, and the Wi-Fi icon, the network icons, and the battery mode. You can see, you can also pause and play from here. So the next thing I want to show you guys is the iOS 9. If you're a fan of iOS, you can get the iOS look right in your MIUI. iOS 9 baby. Let me show you the settings stuff. If it changes, nothing much. Some things are only changed. So you really can expect an Android to look like iOS. I mean, who wants? Because Android is Android, right? So it's time for 7. The MIUI specific, the MIUI 7 theme. It's time for 7. The theme name is It's time for 7. If you guys want this theme, I will also separately let you know in the comment section. So if anyone wants, just let me know in the comment section. So this is the It's time for 7 theme. And the last theme that I want to show you guys is what is this? Coolipop. I don't know, it is pronounced as Coolipop or Coolipop. Cool, right? But anyway, this also looks like great theme. The icons are too fancy and the animation are too good. You can see, yeah baby, MIUI 7. Okay. So this is it. They look great. They have a nice UI. And the only bug thing in this ROM is it is kind of lag because 1 GB of 1 GB of RAM is really not sufficient if you are using custom ROM and the ROM is MIUI. If you are having a phone that runs MIUI out of the box, then that will be amazing because the chipset, right, that is optimized for the ROM, but this chipset is not really optimized for the MIUI. So it looks like a lagging because it really is lagging. And you can see just 137 MB available out of 1 GB, and that's not good. That's not really good because you feel you're lagging when you are using application like Facebook, Viber, and other applications that use lots of RAM. It will take time to load, it will take time to do any steps. It will see like it's lagging, but it feels like lagging right now because you are seeing the screen from the screen recorder pro, and it's recording at 15 frame per second, I guess. So you can see lots of frame drop. That's just because of the screen record. So I guess I have shown everything about MIUI 7, and if I want to rate it, I would have rated it 4.5 out of 5 because dot 5 is just for the lagging. I love this ROM most than Cyanogen because of the themes that I can customize and lots of stuff. I'm not sure you guys will be watching this all or not, but this ROM's worth a shot. To give a try, I'll be linking up PitTech or TalkDev's link in the description so you guys can try out. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. You guys have a great day, and if you enjoy watching this, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to share with your friends, you can do that. And for more upcoming content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Take care.
Tell them what I'm on. Lay beats, slay beats, then party to them. With some freaks up till the early morn. Yeah, it's the life I'm pursuing. It's so timeless, so sky high, something like your high.